Welcome to our YouTube channel students, e-learning hub by Udgam Welfare Foundation. Students, in this video we are going to discuss about the case study number 3 on application of integral. And if you have missed our previous two videos on case study 1 and 2 on AOI, then I request you to please watch those videos, as these are going to help you out in enhancing your skill how to tackle case study problems on application of integral. And these case studies will be very helpful for whether you are a CBSE board student or whether you are a ISC board student. Now let's move forward and discuss our case study number 3 on this particular chapter. So students, here comes our case study number 3. Ritika is designing a logo for a cultural event and she wants the logo to represent a leaf-like symmetric shape. The models one side of the leaf using the curve y is equal to root over 1 minus x square, which is a semicircle of radius 1 centered at the origin. She wants to calculate the exact area of this semicircle region bounded above by the curve and below by the x-axis. Ritika needs the area to decide on the cost of etching this design using laser cutting. Using integral calculus, she knows that the area under a curve can be computed by a definite integral over a given interval. In this problem, she uses her understanding of symmetry and definite integration to find the desired area. So I have mentioned the concepts and the formula used, which are going to help you out in solving these problems. Here, area under the curve is given by a to b fx dx. Symmetry is the function y is equal to root over 1 minus x square is even, so we can use minus 1 to 1 fx dx is equal to twice of 0 1 fx dx. So every student has to memorize these properties of definite integration, as all these properties are going to help you out in definite integration as well as in solving the case study problem or solving the numerical problem related to application of integral. Now let's move towards question number 1 on the basis of this particular case study. So here comes our question number first on this case study. What type of curve is represented by y is equal to root over 1 minus x square? So students, if we square this particular equation, then we are going to get this. This implies x square plus y square is equal to 1, which is an equation of a circle with radius 1. That implies that this particular equation is nothing but equation of a semicircle with limits minus 1 to 1. That means the radius of this particular circle is 1 unit. Hence we can say that this is a semicircle only. Hence our option number C is the correct answer here. Now let's move towards question number 2. So here comes our question number 2 on this case study. What are the limits of integration for the area under the curve from left to right? As we have discussed the diagram as well, here we need to find this particular area, which is a area of a semicircle, and this is minus 1 and this is 1. Hence the radius of this particular circle is 1 unit. Hence we can say the limit is minus 1 to 1 only. This was the question number 2. Now let's move towards question number 3 of this case study. So students, here comes our question number 3, which states which of the following expression represents the area under the curve this from minus 1 to 1. So this is a very simple question, because as we have already discussed, the limit is minus 1 to 1 and the function is this root over 1 minus x square dx. So if we can match our options, then option number B is the correct answer here. Now let's move towards question number 4. So here comes our question number 4, which states what is the value of this particular integration? And we know that this particular function is nothing but the area of a semicircle with radius 1 unit. And if we find the area of a circle, which is pi r square obviously, and if we need to find the area of the semicircle, that means this particular area, then we can simply write half pi r square and radius is 1 unit. Hence we can say pi by 2 is our correct answer here. That means the area of this particular curve is nothing but pi by 2. Hence option number B is our correct answer here. So students, you have to memorize these type of concept, otherwise you are going to waste a lot of time in integrating this particular function, as we have discussed by using simple method that this function is nothing but area of the semicircle, and we know that the area of a semicircle is nothing but half pi r square, and we have calculated this within few seconds. So you have to save your time as per the board examination, because the examination you will be getting the limited time frame. Now let's move towards question number 5. So student, here comes our question number 5, which states how does symmetry help in evaluating -1 to 1 root over 1 minus x square. As we have discussed that this is -1 to 1 fx dx is equal to nothing but twice of 0 to 1 fx dx. That means it is going to give our answer here. It allows us to double the integral over this particular interval. Very simple. So option number B is our correct answer here. So students, that was the last question on this particular case study. I hope you enjoyed this particular video, and we are going to discuss more case studies in the coming videos, which is going to enhance your skill how to tackle such type of case studies in your coming board exams. I have also prepared one marker online test on all the chapters for grade 12 students, and that will be free of cost, and this will be available on our website, which is udgamwelfarefoundation.com. I am going to share the link in the description box, which is going to help you in accessing these online tests. So that was all in this particular video. We are going to meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.